my feet closer to yours. Catch my breath and I say, I'm the one you're looking for. So come on, dance a little dance. Take my hand, darling, take a chance. You be my queen, I'll be your king. Show you everything.
Hey bar family, welcome to another vlog. Thank you guys for joining us today. Thank you all for the continued support. We are here at the Sheraton of Mahwah in New Jersey. We took the kids to the Palisades Mall. Right now guys, I am staying in the 2-queen room at the Sheraton of Mahwah and it's beautiful guys. So I'm going to show you guys here what it looks like. So as you guys can see, we have here a closet right here. We have an iron, as well as some hangers, an ironing board, and luggage rack, as well as a safe. So pretty standard for a lot of the rooms that we're used to seeing, as you guys have seen in some of our previous videos. And over here is the bathroom. It's a little small, but it's really cute. It's got really nice wallpaper, that really nice mirror that we all love with the little LED lights. I know the kids love that lighting as well. And right here is, we have a little bathtub. This one looks nice and clean, so no problems there. And we have some pretty rug. Now this one is an adjoining room, so it looks like if you have a larger family like mine, you could get it adjoining. We have 2 queen-size beds as well. The kids will be staying on one side, Bryce and his pack and play in the middle, Ryan and I in the other, and then obviously over here you have your phone, very standard. You have an alarm clock. You also have a remote control and another light that I can't figure out how to put on, so I'm sorry guys. But really pretty backboard over here. I want to get something like this in our house, but not the house that we're in right now, but definitely in the future. And right here you got a little seating area, a little ice bucket. And then we got a desk, as you guys know, where we do all of our vlogs, and another mirror, which guys, I love having an extra mirror. Being part of such a large family, it's oftentimes a little hard to do my makeup in the morning. So if Rye's in the bathroom and the kids are trying to get ready with daddy, sometimes it's a little bit hard to just get my makeup put on real quick, but this kind of enables that to happen really quickly. So that would be really good. Have some coffee as well as some water. We have a TV as well as a little mini fridge, which is perfect, especially if you have young kids like I do. Chilling the milk is ideal. We have 3 drawers right here. Oh, looks like somebody left some towels in there. Another drawer over there. So decent sized drawers as well. And then you guys also have a cabinet to store some things. So a lot of space here. We have some USB plugs. We have 4 USB plugs, which is a lot. That's awesome. You don't have to worry about bringing that block. Got a little desk drawer right here, which is awesome. And then it comes with water. I'm not really sure if this is complimentary. Oh, this is complimentary. So this is complimentary water. You won't get charged for it, as far as I know. But I'll let you know when I get the bill. And then we have a nice little picture right over here. So it's a really pretty room. So guys, that is it for the room tour of the Sheraton of Mahwah. It's really pretty. Highly recommend this. The place is very clean. It's a beautiful entrance. It's a very, very large hotel. I think we're like on the 18th floor, which is really crazy. It's kind of awesome, like being in high rises. It reminds me of when back in the day when Ryan and I used to be young and we used to live in Miami. We used to live on the 55th floor of a beautiful building off of Biscayne Bay, and we miss it, but of course having our family is awesome and we love it and we wouldn't have it any other way. So, but this is a nice little reminder to bring the kids to. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and then we'll have some new content coming out for you guys as well, so be sure to stay tuned for that, and we'll see you guys here in the next video. Bye, guys.